In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can search for products on AliExpress by an image. Now, what I like about this is whenever you go to a random website, for example, let's say eBay, let's say that you are a dropshipper and you want to find the products easily on AliExpress. You just need to click on right click. You just need to right click the image, like move your mouse to the image and right click, and then click on search goods on AliExpress by this image. Okay, this is the extension that I'm about to show you how you can. I'm going to show you guys how you can download this extension. It really helps me. I'm a dropshipper and it helps me guys find products easily. So as you can see, this is the product on AliExpress. I don't know why this is taking forever to load. Maybe there is a problem here. I'm going to click another product. Okay, so as you can see, this is the product and this is the product on eBay. It's the same. Okay, any product, you just need to right click and then click search or goods on AliExpress by image. If you have a picture on your laptop, you want to click on search by image and you want to upload that picture here, and AliExpress will be able guys to find the product. After you find it, click on it and that's it. Now the name of the extension, this is it. I'm going to say it's called AliExpress search by image. You want to search for web store on Google. Okay, make sure you are using Google Chrome, and then click Chrome web store, and then in the top right you want to search for AliExpress search by image. Okay, let me search for it. Okay, now there are a bunch of but the one we are going to use is this one. Okay, it's called AliExpress search by image, and this is the logo of the app. Click on add to Chrome, and in the top right you just need to pin this. Okay, pin it. This is the pin button. Click on it and you will find it in the top here. That's it. Okay, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like and yeah, see you in the next